In this video, I'm going to talk about if you are looking to create a quiz funnel for your e-commerce brand, how you can do that. So there is plenty of example you can find that D2C brands are using quiz funnel. So people can choose some answer, and no matter what answer they chose, the final output is always same. They are redirecting to their product page. It is not a logical based quiz funnel. These are all pre-set up. Okay. So for example, this example from Serenuba or this example from Globe Beauty, if you want to create a quiz funnel like this, you need to use some third party apps. Then you can just embed those quiz funnel into your Funnelish or Shopify pages. So these brands are using Heyflow. This is the software which starts from 69 euro per month, and then they have 129 per month plan as well. But here is the thing, in those funnels you can create few of the things using their drag and drop builder. But if you want to create this whole funnel, if you go through it, you have to know some sorts of coding, because there is few things that has been customized with code. So if you want to create a similar looking quiz funnel, you can reach me out. I can help you without using Heyflow. But if you want to do it yourself, you can check Heyflow and start building it using Heyflow. You can start a free trial account, and that is very easy to getting started. But there will be few steps from both of those funnel that cannot be done inside Heyflow because they have used code. For example, this one, or if you go these steps, these are very easy to create inside Heyflow. These steps you can create those drag and drop. But for example, this loading animation, okay, or this bar, that natural collagen, your skin profile, this type of customized things they have did with code inside the Heyflow as well, because you can customize Heyflow with custom coding. So you can try it yourself. If a basic version of the quiz is still working for you, if you don't need something with custom code, then you can use Heyflow, or there is another alternative, grow form as well, which is less expensive. You can try this as well for your quiz funnel, which is $47 per month, and Heyflow is 69 USD per month. But many of the brands that we are seeing, like Globe Beauty, like Serenova Beauty, both are using Heyflow. So with Heyflow, you can easily create those drag and drop, but few steps won't be same, like this uh, circle thing. So if you want to create exactly same quiz funnel or from any other example, just contact me in my WhatsApp or email me. I will be there to help you. So you can see these are the steps you can create inside Heyflow very easily. So I leave a link in the description for Heyflow. You can go there, you can create a free account and start testing it. If you can create 100% similar, or you can create a very closer version of it, maybe 80-70% similar. But if you want a 100% similar, you need to hire a professional like me. So that's it. You can start creating those quiz funnel inside your Funnelish or Shopify account using Heyflow, and with some custom coding. You can take the help from ChatGPT as well. If you don't know any sorts of coding, ChatGPT can also help you to make something similar. So you can go to their template library as well to see what type of template is available. These are mostly for the businesses, so some templates you won't be able to actually get matched with the e-commerce thing. So that's the thing, because many of those templates are made for businesses, B2B lead generation businesses. But you can customize those and make it something very similar. Like these steps is very easy to create inside Heyflow. So create a free account and try it yourself. So I hope that makes sense. Thank you very much for your time.